to give my honest review of this veggie steamer here that I've been using for a few months. As a mom who likes to make sure that my kids are eating a balanced meal, I always make sure to fit in a vegetable into dinner. And this allows me to steam fresh vegetables like without having to rely on a frozen veggie pack every night. So this expands, you put your thumbs in here and it opens and it closes. It will expand all the way depending on how far you need it to go. And because it can expand, it can fit in different pots. So it can fit in a small pot, make sure you have a little water in there, and can fit like that. Or you can use it in bigger pots like this or even bigger and expand it to the size that you need it to expand to. Now this is a medium size. There is a small and large size too. You can also use this as a colander to rinse the veggies first. So if I bring this over to the sink here and I dump all of the veggies in here, and then I will give them a rinse before putting them right into the pot with water and then steaming them. So once they're washed, I would just grab this, bring it into my pot here, put it in like that, and we're all set. And then when you're done with it, it folds up nice and compact, and you can fit it in any drawer or cabinet in your kitchen.